Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go hit that like and subscribe. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So we take a look here at the market cap. We're sitting at 1.86 trillion. We're up 2% over the last day. We have Bitcoin sitting at 40,000. Ethereum sitting at 3,015. Solana sitting at 101. Terra Luna sitting at $97. We see Terra surpass XRP in market cap value. We do have XRP at 69 cents. Cardano 89 cents. Dogecoin has entered the top 10 again due to Elon Musk buying Twitter. We do have it at 15 cents. Avalanche is at $72. Chronos CRO is at 40 cents. We do have Algorand and Stellar down here. Stellar at 19 cents and Algorand at 70 cents. Hedera is at 18 as well. Those are good entry points for all those coins that I just named. But again, not financial advice, so do at your own risk. Again, now let's take a look at the crypto bubbles. We do have Ape coin right here at $18.76 at the moment. We were at $10 at the beginning of for April 10th, close to the beginning of the month. We do have CRV at $2.71, Kava at $5.43, KNC $5.46, and again Doge, we do have it pumping. We do have it at 15 cents. We're up pretty much 17% for the day. It's a pretty big increase for Dogecoin, but again, it is because Elon Musk did buy Twitter. So again, all these coins are pretty much in the red. Again, these are coins that I will keep an eye on. XLM, we have Gala. So Gala is 18 cents. XLM's at 19. We do have Hedera somewhere around here. XRP is another one, 70 cents. Polygon, $1.34. Algorand, again, I stated earlier at 70 cents. HBAR, 18 cents. So again, all those coins I will keep my eye on. Not financial advice, but again, we'll see what happens within the next couple of days to see if they go up or down. Again, Bitcoin is at 40,400. We did have it touching around 38 earlier in the day, but we have come back up to about 40,000. As you see, we do have these green candles over the last four. These are the 4-hour candles, and it's pretty much all green. But I do remain semi-bearish for Bitcoin because for the week, we do have it closing on the red candle for the past 4 weeks. So again, it's not pretty much what I like to see, but again, I'm just telling you the truth, what's going on. We do have this green candle, but the week hasn't closed out yet. So again, we're still working on that candle to pretty much confirm. XRP, same thing, 70 cents. This is the hourly chart. We do have it pretty much pumping, and it is going up at the moment. And again, our technical saying it's a good time to sell, but again, I'll keep on accumulating and holding XRP. But again, not financial advice. On to the next article. We have NFT stolen after Bored Ape Yacht Club Instagram and Discord hacked. A fraudulent mint link was sent to the followers. Some appear to have taken the bait. So some did click on the link, and that means their account was pretty much compromised and their Bored Ape Yacht Club was taken, and other NFTs were also taken as well. So the Instagram account and Discord server were both hacked on Monday with an unofficial mint link being sent out to followers. There is no mint going on today. It looks like BAYC. Instagram was hacked. Do not mint anything, click links, or link anything to your wallet. So this is pretty much the tweet that they put out earlier. The fraudulent link claimed that the users could mint land in the upcoming Other Side meta, which is due to launch later this week. The wallets of those who clicked the link have now been compromised. Again, they did state, do not click on anything, do not mint anything, or link anything to your wallet. But someone had already fell for it. So the series of Bored Apes and Mutant Apes being transferred to new wallets by the hackers. I did read reports that some of them were being transferred from their original owner just for security reasons and safety reasons into like other wallets. But again, there's That's just a rumor that I read around there. So again, the value of the 54 NFTs calculated by floor price is 13.7 million. Yuga Labs says the scope of the attack is far smaller, but again, there's no really good estimate as to how many have been taken at the moment. So we take a look at this next article from Cointelegraph. It does say something sure feels like it's about to break. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. So pretty much what's going on for the week on Bitcoin. The largest crypto has just closed the fourth red weekly candle in a row. Again, like I stated earlier in the video, this is the fourth week. So we are working on that fifth week, and it is green at the moment. But again, the week closes on Sunday, so we're barely on Monday. We'll see what happens during the rest of the week. As cold feet over the macro market outlook continues to be the norm, there seems little to comfort the bulls as the week gets underway, and Bitcoin is not done selling off yet. So again, I did state earlier, probably about 2 weeks ago, stating that I do believe Bitcoin will be retesting that 35,000 support level. And again, so it says here on the back of 4,000 in losses over the past 4 days alone, price targets now focus on retest of liquidity levels further towards 30,000. It's not all doom and gloom. Long-term hodlers and key participants such as miners are showing a more positive stance when it comes to Bitcoin as an investment. So pretty much an investment, they see it as long-term, not short-term investment, but a long-term investment because eventually they will be making money no matter what. Because we do expect Bitcoin to reach about 80 to 100,000 potentially by the end of this year. Not saying it will happen, but that's what it's looking like. But again, we'll just wait and see what happens. So Asia woes overtake French election relief. The key external event for risk assets at the start of the week is the French election. This was won by incumbent Emmanuel Macron. So pretty much a sigh of relief for market players concerned about a surprise victory from far-right rival Marine Le Pen. Macron's second term is expected to lift French stocks, and in particular on April 25th open, and then battled euro along with them. So again, that's just another thing that's going on within this week. So the dollar strength is back with a vengeance. One component to the macro landscape firmly in bullish mode to the chagrin of crypto traders is the US dollar. The US dollar currency index, the DXY, after wobbling at 2-year highs last week, now looks to be continuing its uptrend at a 101.61 at the time of the writing. The DXY is challenging its performance from March 2020 when the corona crash sent assets worldwide tumbling. Dollar strength has rarely been a boon for Bitcoin, and the inverse correlation, while criticized by some, appears to be firmly in control this month. So we see the DXY pretty much correlating with the Bitcoin over here. So let's say the DXY dev announced a token burn or something. So that's just another thing that's going on. The third thing is weekly chart prints 4 straight red candle. Again, not fully bullish. It is in the bearish side. But again, they did say that we could potentially retest maybe the low 30s to mid 30s. But again, I do believe we will retest 35 and then head on upwards. But again, we'll just have to wait and see how this week plays out, and then we'll go on from there. The weekly chart prints 4 straight candle. Bitcoin is looking anything but rosy on April 25th, while the weekend managed to avoid significant volatility. The weekly close still disappointed, coming in at just under last week's level. So that's the third thing that we gotta look on. And then hodlers put in a new record. The choppy nature of lower time frame price action on Bitcoin makes it an uninspiring trade for anyone but the most experienced players. Also, fundamentals still point to the moon. It is not just casual, steadfast hodlers who are stubbornly refusing to reduce their Bitcoin exposure despite the grim outlook. So pretty much we got a lot of hodlers kind of just holding the tokens and putting the tokens into their ledgers or their cold wallets. So again, that's a pretty good sign for the markets because the more tokens that are on the exchanges, that means the more potential that could be for the tokens on the move. So we take a look at another article for Bitcoin. It says Stripe test lets Twitter creators get paid in crypto. It only supports USD coin for now. Stripe is testing a new way for users to receive their payouts in crypto, starting with a select group of creators on Twitter. Creators who earn money through monetization features on the platform can now get their earnings in USD coin, a stablecoin crypto tied to the US dollar. Stripe is piloting the crypto payout option through the company's payment processor, Stripe Connect, that customers can integrate into their online platform or marketplace. So Stripe is another, pretty much what they're working with in El Salvador to get the payments process. Now we do see Twitter getting onto the Stripe Connect. And another reason that I do believe that it'll kind of start working a little bit more with Bitcoin is because Elon, like I say, Elon Musk did just buy Twitter. So Elon Musk is a big supporter of Bitcoin as well. So I do believe that they'll start working Stripe and the Lightning Network with Bitcoin. So this is a third article for Bitcoin. It says Mexican soccer giant to allow fans to buy tickets in Bitcoin. So it's pretty bullish news for Mexico and pretty much all the crypto industry in the crypto markets for its own. So the Tigres to support Bitcoin payments. Tigres, a 7-time champion of Mexico's premium soccer league, has announced a partnership with Bitso to allow fans to buy match and event tickets using Bitcoin. Bitso is a leading crypto exchange in Latin America. The purchases will be available this weekend as Tigres faces one of its greatest rivals, America, according to the co-founder of Bitso, Daniel Vogel. The partnership will boost the daily use of crypto and sports event. The match tickets will be issued via Boleto Móvil, with the company CEO saying that has become a successful asset class, and those who fail to acknowledge the success failed to transition to current trends. So pretty much what they're saying is, if you're not on the crypto wave, you done failed to ride the crypto wave for now. So again, they're pretty much trying to get you to get onto Bitcoin and other crypto and the digital assets and ride the trend. So right here on CoinDesk, Mexico plans to issue a CBDC by 2024. Government confirms. The Mexican government tweeted that it considers these new technologies and payment infrastructure of utmost importance to advance financial inclusion. So again, this is really bullish news for Mexico and the Mexican economy, and also the crypto economy, crypto markets. The CBDC plans to launch a CBDC by 2024. The Mexican government confirmed in a tweet on Wednesday evening. According to the tweet, which was written in Spanish, Bancico will have a digital currency of its own in circulation by 2024, as it considers of utmost importance these new technologies and state-of-the-art payment infrastructure as options of great value to advance financial inclusion to the country. So Mexico at first had said they weren't gonna have CBDCs, but now they're getting onto the trend. And like on the other article where the owner for I believe they said for Bitso, it says that anyone who's not on it is falling behind in the trend, on the current trend. So again, Mexico is getting onto that CBDC, and again, I do believe that pretty much the whole world will be on the CBDC standard level coming within the next 2 to 3 years, and if not, it'll probably be before that. So Banxico said plans to have a CBDC in place by the end of 2024. We're going to have to use the use of paper money as a preponderant payment domestically for a long time, so we don't want to be absent from these technological advances. Mexico also joins Brazil and Peru as Latin American countries working on the development of CBDCs. On December 2nd, Mexico's governor said that the monetary authority was analyzing the launch of a CBDC. Authorities at the international level, given the interest that these virtual assets and their evolutions have awakened, have recognized the need and the potential to extend functionalities of legal tender through the potential implementation of digital currencies issued by the central bank. So again, that's really bullish news for Mexico and pretty much all the crypto market. I wouldn't I wouldn't doubt they get if they start accepting like Bitcoin and other cryptos like to transfer money, especially once CBDCs get rolling. I do believe that the utility of other tokens, just like XRP and XLM, they'll start working more often and they'll work to transfer the money from bank to bank, institution to institution. And I do remain bullish on all those tokens that I just named. But that is all that we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember if you like the content, hit that like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. Thanks, and until next time.